This is our flight plan, and we will now go somewhere and start this drone. This is a pretty amazing drone. Apparently there are only 5 drones like this in Costa Rica. 3 are owned by the drug police, and 1 is right here in Samara. Here is the LiDAR unit. You see the back? Here's an important adventure guide. Just kidding. And the LiDAR unit is this one here. I'm gonna have a look at it now from below. Make sure that you can see this. But that's where the LiDAR is. Yeah, and we had my casita. And that's where the drone goes into. And we'll take it now to the target area and make a little drone flight.